Good morning, everyone. I was just watching Shonda Jones' video, and there is a new firmware update for the RC2 controller. And he says in his video that you have to input a password. Now, I don't like that because that's just too much power and control that a company has over something that you purchased. Now, if they're going to put that in there, at least make one of those, opt-in, opt-out type things where you can elect not to set a password, because in my case, I'm the only person who has access to my drones. And I was doing just fine without a password. So let me check this out for myself. I'm going to go into a profile here and go down to settings and check for firmware updates. Sure enough, there is a firmware update available. I'm going to update this. It's 1.3 gigabyte download, so let's go ahead and do it. I'm not going to have you sit through this to watch the update, so I'll come back to you guys once this is done. So as you can see here that this update added a screen lock feature and it fixed some known issues. After about 25 minutes, I'm updated. So let's check out that password feature. So I'm going to scroll down from the top and let's click on that cogwheel upper right hand corner and let's go into security here. There it is, screen lock. So right now by default it is set to none. Looks like you can opt in to do this. So if I tapped on that, yeah, I can do a password, and I do not want to do a password. That's my personal preference. Okay, so let's back out of this. I know that that's there. And since I'm here, let's check out this flight simulator. I have a hard time believing that a 1.3 gigabyte file size only impacted that screen lock. So let's go into the flight simulator. Let's go into the drone hangar. I always go here to check for updates. And I have the DJI Mavic 4 Pro selected and it's taken. So let's go back out and then go up to the three dots or ellipses upper right hand corner. Let's tap on that. Then I see that there is a new version. You'll have to tap on about there. So there's a new version, and I'm going to go ahead and download that and install it and see what that will bring. App installed, that was quick. Let's go into the drone hangar again. That was for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. So let's select the DJI Air at the top there under inventory. Let's take it. All right, let's go back out and let's tap on those three dots upper right hand corner and tap on about. And let's check for an update here. So let's see what happens here. Let's go back into the drone hangar and I have the DJI Air 3S selected. Just making sure. Let's go out and I'm going to immersive flight. Anything new here? Let's see here. State Park. We have another scene. This is Sunny Island. Let's check it out. I'm going to tap on that. Oh, it says download now. So I need to download this. So this new scene is a vibrant island on blue waters, across steep cliffs, and around a lonesome lighthouse. A great place for aerial photography practice. Okay, that was relatively quick. Let's do a go fly. And we're going in. And I'm going to tap on place aircraft. And I'm going to go ahead and take off. And there's the lighthouse up front. What was it? That's an airplane, or that's a kite or something. Paraglider. There are boats out there in the water. I'm going to fly near the lighthouse. Let's go right past it there. And you guys get it. You know, you go in here, you play around with this for yourselves. But I like the simulator because it allows you to, yeah, as it says here, do practice. Let's go in between that gap right there. I can't, as far as I can take it. Okay, what's down there? Whoever's in that boat is getting pretty close to the shore there. Maybe that's not a boat. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can go in here. It looks like I can. Yeah. Fantasy Island, huh? There's the lighthouse. Let's do a return to home just to test something out here. And I believe that you will have sound effects if you're in the flight simulator and you don't have an external microphone connected. Okay, I sort of like that that new scene, and that H there is my home point. Okay, so there you have it. The new update gave a screen lock feature, and it added a another scene to the flight simulator. So until the next video, please take care of yourselves.